A story, yes.
It's about the 7 sheep. 7 sheep.
7 sheep.
And the wolf.
And the wolf.
Yes. Ooh. Okay. Who wants to be the mommy sheep? Okay.
I want to be the mommy sheep.
Okay.
Mommy sheep.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Who wants to be the first sheep?
I want to be the first sheep.
Great. There
Thank
go.
you.
Who wants to be the second sheep? The second sheep.
I want to be the second sheep.
Who wants to be the third sheep?
I want to be the third sheep.
Who wants to be the fourth sheep?
I want to be the fourth sheep.
Who wants to be the fifth sheep?
I want to be the fifth sheep.
Okay. Then I guess I'll be the wolf.
Ooh, you're the wolf.
Okay. Now, mommy sheep, baby sheep are
Hungry!
Okay, so
I'm hungry.
I'm
hungry! Mommy, I'm
And so,
hungry.
mommy sheep, there's no food.
Okay.
So you need to go
To
to the market. Okay? But there is a wolf who is very hungry. And he's outside of the house. So you tell the baby sheep, don't open the door.
the door. Don't open the door.
Yes, mommy.
Yes, mommy. Yes, mommy.
Okay. But the wolf comes and he knocks. Knock, knock, knock. And the sheep say, who's there?
Who's there?
It's mommy sheep. And you look under the door. Look. What color are mommy's feet? What color?
White.
White.
Oh,
Gray.
gray.
Are mommy's feet gray?
No.
Oh. Okay. And so what do you say to the wolf? You say, go away.
Go away.
Good.
Go away.
And so the wolf goes away. And he paints his feet white. And he comes back and he says, knock, knock, knock.
Who's there?
It's mommy sheep. And you look and say, oh,
It's
it's mommy.
Mommy.
Good, Anna. It's mommy.
It's mommy.
Mommy.
Open the door.
Open the door.
And we'll see what happens then. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, mommy sheep. Okay. Little sheep. Little.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
I'm going to the market. Little sheep, don't open the door.
Yes,
Mommy. Bye, mommy. Who's there?
It's mommy sheep.
No.
Go.
Go away.
Why?
Gray.
Gray.
It's gray.
Oh.
Gray feet. Go away.
Go away.
Okay, let's have a party.
Who's there?
It's mommy sheep. Let me in.
Ah,
Yeah.
it's white.
Yes.
Open the
Open the door.
Open the door.
So all the sheep hide, but the wolf eats sheep 4. The wolf finds sheep 1.
Oh no.
The wolf eats sheep 3. The wolf eats sheep 2. But sheep 5 is hiding. Very good. Mommy sheep comes out. Oh my God! Where are all the sheep? find the wolf.
Where is the wolf?
He went that way.
Okay.
Catch you!
Now Mommy Wolf comes. Opens up the wolf's tummy. He takes out all the wolf's babies.
We're back.
And wait. The wolves go and find big stones.
Oh, yes.
Stones to put in the okay. Find big stones to put inside. And they all go home. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, my tummy hurts. Oh.
Bye, everyone.